the following county: Hocking, Ohio. High wind warning in effect until 4 a.m. Sunday. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts of 55 to 60 miles an hour. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. A line of showers will move through between 9 p.m. and midnight, producing damaging winds. Strong gusty winds are expected to continue along and behind a cold front through late tonight. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Now for the official. Here is a high wind warning.